I recently got the Louis Vuitton Nice BB Vanity bag, and I want to show you what I filled it with. So lately I've been on quite the spree with Louis Vuitton and buying up pretty much everything that I've had on my wish list for the past few years. And one of the items that I had on the list was this vanity bag. I recently was gifted one of the smaller versions of the vanity bag, and I ended up using it for my makeup. I fell in love with the bag and how well organized it kept my makeup, and became obsessed with getting the next size up, which was this BB Nice. I wanted to get this larger version of the vanity bag simply because I wanted to keep my skincare organized and complete the look of having my makeup vanity bag and now my skincare vanity bag. The inside of this vanity bag is really ideal for the size products that I'm going to actually be putting into it. And for the inside, I'm actually going to be using a haul from Rhode. Now, when it comes to Rhode products, they actually have a legit place in my heart because they really have one of everything really, really good. I've tried out their skincare line and loved it, and so I decided to do a complete haul of one of everything that they actually have. I actually really love using Rhode skincare products for my nighttime routine. I purchased the skincare kits that came with one of everything, so that way I can get the complimentary products that came with it, plus a little discount on top of it. But like I said, Rhode has one of everything that's really, really good, and I really like it for my nighttime routine because it helps bring the moisture back to my face after having makeup on all day long. So while we're here, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of all the products that I received in my Rhode haul. The first product I got was their pineapple face wash. I also received their barrier butter, their peptide glazing liquid, a travel size glazing milk, their barrier peptide cream, a full size glazing milk, and their glazing mist. Now for the fun part. Now that I have everything unboxed, it's time for me to organize it inside of my vanity bag. What I happen to like so far about the bag is the amount of space that's on the inside. I can already tell that this bag can be packed to the brim and just fit so many items that you would actually have to find items to fill up all of the space. And that's exactly what I did. I took all of my favorite items and stuffed them into every space inside of the bag. And now that I have everything fit inside, I feel like now it's time to dress her up. And using the scarf that I've acquired on my birthday, I am now going to wrap my handle with the Louis Vuitton scarf and basically complete its look. Now they have all different types of tying tutorials on how to wrap your bag's handle, but I'm just winging mine. I'll eventually watch a tutorial later and rewrap it, but I was just so excited to have it. I just wanted to wrap it and get out of the way and basically see what it would look like with everything in place. So when I started to wrap it, I had the black side showing first, but I felt like it was just a little bit too dark. So I went back and flipped it over and had it so whereas though the brown was more prominent on the handle. I felt like it looked way, way better. So I continued it with it going that way and I finished it off. I feel like it actually looks way better with the scarf on the handle. It just completes the entire look, and I love how the brown and the pink makes it all come together. It's totally my style. And to think, I actually bought this scarf to wear on my head, and now it's going to be a permanent piece on my vanity bag. And let's get into how I only had to tie this once, and both the tails on the end of my scarf came out even. And here we have it, my fully packed Louis Vuitton Nice BB vanity bag that I am packing to the brim with even more items, including these Dolce & Gabbana caffeine eye patches. I mean, as if I needed anything more expensive to go inside this bag, but if you're looking for something a little bit more luxury, check out these eye patches from Dolce & Gabbana. They actually work pretty well. But anyway, thanks for watching.
I don't have to find an aesthetic. I am an aesthetic. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out here right now who's going into Pinterest trying to type up all these adjectives to describe me.